Eso me roba caro. Una maldad. Eso me roba caro. Una maldad. Eso, moviendo tus caderas. A mi caminar, un cuerpo como tú. No puedo olvidarla. to you. The ladies will say, hey, 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 hey. When you're riding, I'll say, hey, 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 hey. My lips start to say, hey, 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 hey. Goddamn girl, you're fine. You got to be mine. The ladies will say, hey, 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 hey. When you're riding, I'll say, hey, 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 hey. My lips start to say, 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 say.
1, 2, 3, hit it!
She's inside my head, I don't know what to do. The way she moves her body, what a perfect view. And if this night don't end the way I want it to, it'll still be in my brain, just like a fixed tattoo.
Wherever you are, I was dancing on the dance floor, drinking my